What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be just an impromptu, probably all over the place as per usual video. I wasn't really planning on doing this video. I have a bit of a shopping addiction. So when I'm shopping online or browsing, bored and browsing, I see things that catch my eye, my periph. Sometimes I'm like, oh, okay. Then I buy, right? One of the biggest, in my opinion, scams or schemes in the detailing industry, and there's quite a few, but one of the bigger ones is glass cleaning products. Not the towels, but the solutions. Now the towels, we're gonna maybe do another video down the line, because there's a whole topic to be had about whether or not you're gonna be using chamois. I used to use newspapers back in the day, me and my dad. I've seen that, I've lived through that, and that was a thing, cleaning glass with newspapers. Now you've got every type of microfiber and all these companies, you know, pilfering your money. Basically, it gets frustrating to me, because I came into this industry, this detailing community, this detailing world quite a while ago, and it's honestly gone so downhill with the cash grabbing and all the other stuff. There are a few YouTubers slash influencers slash whatever the hell you want to call it that are actually still honest, but there are far more completely full of shit people that, in my opinion, can be bought, and when you can be bought, usually you're bought. That's it. You know what I mean? Sidetracked as always. But when it comes to glass cleaning products, there's so many products out there, and they're selling 16 ounce or 20 ounce bottles. You're paying for that. I mean, I've seen people have the flat out audacity to charge $12, $16 for like a 12 ounce, 16 ounce. So what, $1 an ounce? What are we doing with that? I've seen other people charge like $8, $9, $10, $11 for a 12 ounce bottle. That's crazy to me, okay? And I'm gonna talk about 3 products in this video, but the video is highlighted on the one product in the title, which is this product, okay? It's made by Unger Professional. This is the Concentrated Easy Glide Glass Cleaner. Now, I've had experience with this in the past. It's been so long, and the smell of this when I bought it back, the nostalgia of this is amazing. This is not the smell you would normally expect from a glass cleaner, but it's, to me, I absolutely love it. It's just something about it. It's an amazing thing, but that's not the amazing part. The amazing part is the production of this, okay? You're spending all this money on these bottles, and don't feel bad. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying you're stupid. I'm saying you're a consumer. I'm a consumer. I've got Angel Wax Vision. And again, listen, support your brands. Don't take offense to this. I know some people have really super tight, clenched buttholes on the internet, and you get so offended by everything. What I'm trying to do is enlighten you, expand your horizon a little bit. Maybe you want to try something, and it's not necessarily just about budget. It's about the fact that when you're getting completely taken advantage of, that's not great. I've tried Americana Clarity. I've even got Jack's Wax Glass Cleaner. I've used this a little bit. It's all normal stuff that I feel personally Windex does. You could go to your ShopRite or Piggly Wiggly, wherever the hell store you go to, and Windex would basically do this, you know? But anyway, let's talk more about Unger, like the whole point of the video. This is a professional glass and window cleaner. Now, the thing that makes this absolutely incredible, this is the smallest bottle they sell. You can get this on Amazon. This bottle right here is $8.43 right now that I'm glancing. I don't know if that's gonna stay that way, but $8.43. This right here, this 12 ounce bottle, look, 8 gallons of product. That's the concentrated level of this. So right here, you could do 2 capfuls of this product for a 16 ounce bottle. 2 capfuls. Do you see the cap? Are we Are we understanding what this means? 2 capfuls, okay? Now, you could buy more. Look at my new setup. Look at how cool this is, right? I could just, hey, how are you? I'm over here now, guys. Amazing. Maybe I'll do a video on that one day. Then you can get a 32-ounce bottle of this. A little bit larger, nothing crazy, right? That 32-ounce bottle is $9.97. That bottle gets you 25 usable gallons of amazing glass cleaner. Doesn't stop there. You really want your mind blown? Here we go. 1 gallon, okay? 128-ounce container. 1 gallon of this product. $19.97. How many gallons do you think you're gonna get out of that product? 100 gallons of glass cleaner. Usable glass cleaner. Alcohol-free, ammonia-free, tint-safe, windows, glass doors, mirrors. Hello? This is crazy. This is ridiculous. But does it work? Does it work? OCD, does it work? I'm gonna tell you. I filled this, I did this container with the exact ratio. Now this is bigger than a 16-ounce, so I had to put more than 2 capfuls in here. But I did it to the T, okay? Smells delicioso. And I say that because there's some Spanish on there. That's Gringo Loco telling you, I approve of this. Gets the stamp. This stuff's awesome. I'm gonna show you, my glass isn't completely filthy, but it's enough. And again, like I said, we're gonna talk about other products. This is the only other one that I've had experience with that I could tell you firsthand right now. The amount of value in this, and I never talk about value, but this is ridiculous. This has a 10-to-1 dilution, okay? 10-to-1. How many gallons are you getting out of this cheap container here? We're doing it wrong. We're doing it wrong. We're letting people do that, okay? Now, try products. Try it. I love it. That's part of the community. But if you're doing this for profit, don't do this. This, I love it. I'm using this. I love Bill Hamber. I love all these brands. I do. I have a big spot in my heart, a spot right there. I love it. I love all of it. I love experimenting and trying things. You'll see glass cleaners in the future. But don't try to do this for profit. Or if you're on a budget and you want to get some amazing results, pay attention, youngster. Now, also, Unger, since I just got these in and I haven't tested them yet, because they make professional glass cleaning products, I'm like, okay, let me try some of their stuff. So I ended up getting one of their towels. Well, it's a 2-pack actually. So I just got it. There's the tag rip off. Feels nice. I have a feeling it's gonna be amazing because why not? But again, glass cleaning media is a whole other conversation. You've got Clean Microfiber, you've got waffle weave conversations, you've got those buff, super buff, short nap, long nap. There's a million different things, a million different companies, a million different promises. Huck surgical towels, we've used that before. Everything's all over the place. Stick with what you want to do. I don't even know if I want to get into this topic because I talk too much already and we're way too far into this video. But let me try to see what I can do here. And I'm just going to explain. So my glass is not clean. It's definitely dirty. But it's as dirty as the car usually gets. I don't let it get too dirty. Hold on. This window's a little bit worse. It's hard to focus on this camera. I apologize, but you can tell when the light hits there. So this glass is dirty. I'm not just joking around. I'm not jerking your chain here. This one, dirty. We're soiled, okay? And this is the way we're gonna do this. I'm gonna demonstrate this on here. Oh wow, look at that. Are you gonna be able to see that? Can you reach that? Yep, that's some funky shit right there. All right, so let's just stick with their Unger rag. And again, I got short little T-Rex arms, so I can't reach too far. I'm gonna give this a little shaky, and I'm not even gonna go too heavy, but I'm not gonna, do too, that's it, because it's a big window. It smells good. I'm gonna take my cloth. I'm gonna come down, and I just want you to pay attention to what we just did here. I'm gonna flip this. Now, the towel feels like it's cleaning pretty damn good. It feels like on the switch, on the flip-a-dippy, that it got a lot more slick to the touch. And I just want to show you. touch off here. So I'll show you. Now, mind you, there's probably still some residuals in here. That's the inside of the glass, okay? That's when somebody before me scraped to get the sticker off there. But the glass is clean. There's no streaks. It flashes off. It's very clean, and it makes the glass nice and slick. So we're just gonna give this little misties. Nothing crazy. Like, we're not saturating the panel. We're doing pretty much the bare minimum. Windows, pretty much, what do? The box. What are we taught to do? I don't need to go over that again. And to prove my point, I won't go over that again. Can't even tell what it's focusing on. There's no streaks, nothing. Oh, one second. I don't want to cut it because then somebody's gonna be like, ah, you're full of shit. I got no streaks. It cleaned it, the whole glass, everything, perfect, dead on, 100%. You can see, I mean, I got a lot of lighting issues. Got a lot of stuff going on. But again, main part of this video, just to tell you, this product is incredible. Even 4 sprays, we're getting less and less sprays. Box out. And this rag, let me tell you, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna order more of them. Now, I'll go over this one just because I didn't get that corner. That's good. But the streaks to come off, everything comes off. Oh, hold on. Maybe I lied. Oh, it's because I didn't wipe that good enough. Look at this. It cleans the glass. It does what it's supposed to do. It does what you would expect glass cleaners to do. Let's go to this last one. I'm on a roll cart. Get it? I'm on a roll, but I'm on a cart. I'm on a roll cart. We're going all the way to this window. This is gonna be a great setup here. You know what? Just for the fun of it, let's switch it up and use the completely unused one because the other one's starting to get a little saturated. This one definitely has a little bit more on it than the other windows. That's crazy. When you flip it, it feels so much more slick. You're just giving it a nice wipe. Really very nice. Slippery to the touch. This towel is actually really nice. I'll link this down below. You don't have to buy anything. In fact, you know what you do? If you really want to just like have somebody prove a point, I don't care if you click my links. I don't care. You can go there. Oh, it's a really good place, OCD. Well, you gotta set up shop there so you got the light in your face. I don't care if you use my link, if I get 2 cents kickback or whatever the hell it is on Amazon, whatever. I'm sharing a link to you. You want to prove a point? Search the name in Amazon. Don't use my link. You want to use my link? Use my link. Search the name. Purchase it on your own search. I'll get nothing. Try the product out. Try it out. I'm not kidding. I'm not doing anything. I'm not sponsored by Unger. Who's that? Who's that, guys? Who's that? What I'm trying to tell you is, if you're doing this and you want to save money, there's so many things. And you know what else? You can do, I've seen other people, rinseless washes. That's a big way to save. 250, 6 to 1. I've seen some people say for Geon, the new Geon rinseless wash, 250, 6 to 1. You can do water, vinegar. Some people just use straight water on their glass with a correct type of towel. Again, like I said, I was gonna think about doing towels. I'm not even gonna think about doing towels. There's just too much, and there's too much fighting going on because there's so many brand loyalists and there's so many people that fart brand names out of themselves. And if you don't comply, you get yelled at. And you're like, untrue. There's some molecular difference in this product, and it emulsifies, it surfactifies, and it justifies the price. It does not. It does not. I've been running these products. This glass cleaner concentrate by Meguiar's as well. Another one I truly recommend. Smells nice. They both have pretty good smells. And again, smells aren't the most important thing, but I will always mention them because I'm messed up in the head. Look at that, beautiful. But anyway, I hope you got something out of this. My glass is clean. I love it. Just want to show you. I'm going to try to do some more videos on glass cleaning products. If you want me to waste my money, I'll waste it so you don't have to. I don't mind. I truly don't mind. I'm here trying to have fun, trying to do the most while you have to get to do the least. I don't want you guys to get destroyed financially, and I certainly don't want you guys to end up with shelves like this, because this is ridiculous. And I could tell you that this is nothing, because that's full, that's full, that's full. This whole thing is full. But look, like I said, 100 gallons. Look at this. It's crazy. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. Look at that. How do people run around doing this vlog stuff? You know what? I can't look. Oh, and you can zoom in. It's crazy. Imagine I was good at editing. This channel would probably be so much better. Anybody want to edit for me? I love you guys. Hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. See you in the next one. Be safe. Don't waste your money unless you want to. That's your choice. It's America. Or maybe it's not. I have some overseas guys following me. Waste your money if you want. Do what you want. I'm just showing you. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.